Good morning, my dearest Class 6 Science students. Today I am going to take a revision class test as a preparation for the post-midterm examination on the chapter Light, Shadows and Reflection. I'll be taking two examinations, one after the other. First the part of the examination is today. I'm going to take in the next examination, I'll take in the next week. So wish you best of luck for this examination. You are going to write down these questions from this video before the class starts, and then from 9:30 a.m. onwards, when I will say you to start writing the answers, you will start answering this examination. Your time will be up to 10 a.m. and from 10:15 a.m. onwards you have to submit your answers to me in PDF format in my personal chat. Now question number 1. There are four options, column A and column B, which you have to match correctly. Column A, option A, transparent. Column A, option B, opaque. Column A, option C, translucent. Column A, option D, luminous body. Column B, option 1, region of absence of light. Number 2, scattering back of the light by shining surface. Number 3, object through which one can see clearly. Now column P, the fourth option, object through which one cannot see at all. So as it is, you will write down this question. Now while answering in the online class, you will write whatever is in column A, and beside the column A, you will rewrite the column B as it is appropriate. So you will only have to change the order of column B to match it with the left hand side column A. I hope this is clear. So there is no lines you are not going to draw, but you have to write the column B options in accordance that it will fit and match the column A left hand side option. So what is going to match with transparent, you have to write on the right hand side. What is going to match with opaque, you have to write on the right hand side. What is going to match with translucent, you are going to write on the right hand side. What is going to match with luminous body, you are going to write on the right hand side. And the four options given in column B, that you have to write accordingly. So there are total 4 marks if you write them correctly. Now we are going to see the question number 2. There are 4 questions parts in this question number 2, each having 1 marks. Choose the correct option as given in the following questions. Question number 2, part 1. Light travels in. Now out of these 4 options, whichever is the correct option, that you have to write as answer during writing in the online class. The options given are A, straight line, B, curved line, C, zigzag line, D. Randomly. So you have to write question 2 part 1, light travels in, then you have to choose the correct option and write the answer beside it. Now we are going to see the second part of question 2. This is also to choose the following from the correct option. Choose it and write it. Question is, when an opaque object comes in the path of the light, it forms. Now the four options given are as A, an image with colors, B, shadow, C, black and white image, D, depends on the color of the light. So after writing the question 2 part 2, you will write, when an opaque object comes in the path of light, it forms, then you will write the right option and then the right answer. Now we are going to see the third part of this, choose the correct option. Question 2 part 3, bouncing back of light from shining surfaces is called. Four options given are A, reflection, B, refraction, C, bending, D, dispersion. So what you have to do is write the question 2 part 3, then you have to write bouncing back of the light from the shining surfaces is called. Then out of these four options you have to choose the correct option as well as the answer and write it in the online class. I hope you have already understood. You are going to write the questions as a question paper in advance before the beginning of the online class and be ready on the online class. When I say you to start writing, then you will start writing the answers. Now we are going to see the next question, question number 2, part 4. Out of these, which one is not a man-made luminous body? So the four options given are A, electric bulb, B, burning candle, C, firefly, it's also called jugnu, D, oil lamp. So you have to write the question number 2, part 4. Then you have to write out of these which one is not a man-made luminous body, question mark. Then out of the 4 given options you have to write as an answer only the right option and the answer. Now the next question, which is fill in the blanks question. There are 2 questions in this part, question number 3. Each question having 1 mark, so total 2 marks. Question number 3, part 1. In a plane mirror, our left hand looks like the right hand, full stop. This phenomena is called dash. So what is the correct answer that you have to write after writing the question and the part and then the full sentence? Then in the fill in the blanks you have to write that correct statement, what is appropriate and correct for this question. You will get 1 mark if you write it correctly. Then question number 3, part 2. This is a dash on which the shadow is formed. So this is a dash. In the dash you have to write the correct statement which is required to fill this blank on which the shadow is formed. If you write it correctly, you will get 1 marks. So total 10 marks in this question paper. The question paper is completed and it comes to an end. I hope you have understood, and that's all for today's examination part 1. Bye. See you in the next class for part 2 exam.